Later we enter the town of Lefkis in the center of the island. A sparkling village with schoolchildren and locals out and about. The architecture in a village like this is a feast for the eye. Crisp blue sky contrasting with the dazzling white of the buildings, with a touch of color on the doors and the windows, or with a climbing bougainvillea right around the corner. And yes, it's good to see that there are cat lovers everywhere. Some that love them out of their way, and some that are looking for kisses. The Byzantine Trail takes us out of the village towards the sea. These paths were the only way by donkey or mule to get from one village to the next before the car. Now it's a great way not only to get a walk in, but to get a look at the other aspects of the village. Huge caper plants growing out of the wall. Almond trees giving up their fruit for a midday snack. And more friendly felines.